Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lu Jianjie. I'm from Harbin Institute of Technology. My work is artistic style image processing system based on convolutional neural network. This is just a quick outline of what I'm going to talk about in the next 10 minutes. Firstly, I will give you a brief introduction and backgrounds about my work, which is followed by a description of the principle, of the algorithm principle. After that, I will show you how did I design my system. Finally, I will give you a brief conclusion. With the rapid development of artificial intelligence, computer scientists found that multi-layer learning structure, namely deep learning, can improve the performance of training models effectively and efficiently. This technology has been applied in many fields, such as the natural language processing, pattern recognition, and image processing. Last year, Geis et al. Scientists from the University of Tübingen, Germany, published a paper called Narrow Algorithm of Artistical Style, where they used the convolutional neural network to make the computer to imitate the style of famous painters. The idea of my work is from this, and my work is to make the public to experience such a fantastic research result. So how to define an artistic style is really difficult since art can be obscure or complicated for programmers. But fortunately, we can do it by using the convolutional neural network. According to the paper, along the processing hierarchy of the convolutional neural network, the input image is transformed into representations. They visualize the image of each layer by reconstructing the image from the feature maps and found that the lower network reflects the image style, which can be used as the style representation. And the higher network reflects the image content, which can be used the content representation. So my system recombines the style representation of famous painting and the content representation of a picture by using a white noise image with constant gradient descent iteration. It looks like learning to draw a picture at a famous painter. Here is a demo video to show how a computer to draw a picture of Sophia Church with the style of Picasso. Let's see it. Okay, you're fine.
好，我们继续来欣赏，接下来是它的一个精彩的一个讲解，可能是要有一段视频，向我们现场的评审专家和其他的参赛选手做一个展示。好，我们一起来欣赏。需要从头来开始放吗？
Okay, so this section looks at my system design. I use the D1 SoC board in my system, and here is my system architecture. As you can see, it includes the D1 SoC board as the client and a notebook with Intel i7 processor inside and the backend server. This is the physical diagram of my system, and to be more precise, I run the client program on the D1 and a server program on the backend server. The algorithm is implemented based on the Touch 7, a machine learning computing framework. And also, the server provides a net file system mounted by D1. This is the flowchart of my program. As you can see, it needs users to set like the style, content, iteration number, and then send this to the server. After receiving these parameters and instructions from the client, the server can analyze them, and execute the algorithm. During this period, the client can detect the new output image and show it on the display automatically. My system provides 15-word famous paintings at the style input and two ordinary picture at the content input. One is Sophia Church, which is one of the most landmarks of Harbin, and the other is myself. These are some results. To summarize, my system fully used Core CN009 to run program on Linux, which also reduced the difficulty. Secondly, my system used an architecture includes the cloud server and embedded platform, which is conducive to apply more extraordinary deep learning algorithm to our embedded systems, like our mobile phones. The last but not least, since artistic style image processing system is really intriguing and innovative, it really has a great business potential. As you know, I had my idea to participate in this contest in April. Interestingly, when I was working with my work until about 3 months ago, a mobile phone application called Prisma was created by a Russian company. And just a few days ago, another company named Ostogram was also created. Both of them used a similar algorithm as my system. As I said before, the idea of my work is from a paper that was published last year. After that, many top universities and research institutes followed it and also come out with new methods that have better performance if you are interested in it. So this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much.